Another point for Los Baños, 2-0. Yes, wala pong sound and we're back. We are here still at the first set of the second match for men's volleyball. It's between Los Baños versus Las Marinas. And that attack error by jersey number 5 gives Las Marinas their third point, 3-2. Attack for Los Baños. It's all three. Continue on sharing this live stream para mapanood po ninyo ang oo, pero tinawagan niya ng rotational fault. Point for Dasmariñas. Now it's jersey number 20 for Los Banos. That attack by jersey number 1 is outside. Point for Dasmariñas. I-cheer nyo na po ang inyong mga teams. Dasmariñas for sweet attack. Point for Los Baños. Nakita na ni jersey number 13 ng Los Baños? Yung gagawing strategy ng Dasmariñas. Kaya naman nakapag-adjust for serving 5. Lamang ng isa ang Dasmariñas, our defending champions. It's inside, sabi ng line judge. Nice attack by jersey number 25 of Dasmariñas. Jersey number 14 for Dasmariñas serving. Nice attack by jersey number 5. Point for Dasmariñas because that ball is outside. 7 serving 4. Diba? Nagliliparan talaga ang mga players. Nice dig by jersey number 1, si Net ng libero. Inihulog pero nandun si jersey number 9, ibinalik sa dulo pero outside. Ang pagkakatulak ni jersey number 5. Sayang. Pero babawi ang Los Baños. Now it's jersey number 14 at the service line. Number 20, si Net. Itinulak ni jersey number 5 ng Los Baños. Pasok, puntos, 5 serving 8. Now it's Los Baños at the service line. 13, si Net. Number 9 with an attack of Dasmariñas. Point number 9. 9 serving 5. Iba yung lipat ng mga taga Dasmariñas. Ano kayang kinakain dyan sa iniinom sa Dasmariñas at nakakalipad ang mga players? Pero ang Los Baños hindi pa patalo. Kaso that service ace ang nakasugat sa puntos na yon, 10 serving 5. Nice dig on that attack by jersey number 5. Number 10 with that attack, 20. Itinulak sa dulo. There's the libero. Tinulak ng Dasmariñas. Save pa rin ang bola. 5. A little push. Down the net. Number si 13. Attack ng number 10. And that ball is outside. Point for Los Baños. Keep on sharing our lives sa lahat ating mga manonood. I-cheer nyo na ang inyong mga teams. Sabi ni Madeline Alforja, go BLB. Apple Hardeleza, go Monarch. And there's a touch on that net found by to jersey number 25 by the up referee. Still, Los Baños is serving 7, serving 10. And that error brings Dasmariñas to 11, serving 7. Jersey number 25 to serve. 20 is set. Here's number 5 with that attack. Nice dive by Dasmariñas. Isinat pa rin. Here's number 5 to attack. Nice block by number 3. Here's Dasmariñas at the net. Walang nag-abang sa likod ng mga taga Los Baños. Puntos para sa Dasmariñas. Here's Dasmariñas City for the service. Nice dig by the libero. Pinalo ng Los Baños. Blocked by jersey number 20. And that is inside. Here's Los Baños for the serve. Nice receive. Nice dig by jersey number 5. Pinalo ng Los Baños. Here's Las Marinas to set. Number 10 to attack. Nice dig by number 5. Set to number 1. Block. The libero is there. Number 3 with a push. Point for Las Marinas. 13 serving 8. Service ace by Dasmariñas. Hindi na-contain ng libero ng Los Baños ang palong iyon. Kaya naman puntos pa rin sa Dasmariñas. 14 serving 8. Number 20, setting that game. Number 15, sinet ng libero. Nakuha pa rin ni number 1. Easy over. 13 is setting. 14 with an attack. And that ball is outside. Puntos para sa Los Baños. 9 serving 14. Napakalakas ng palong iyon. Aba, napakahusay ng both of our teams, Los Baños and Dasmariñas. Now, it's Los Baños for the service. Pinalo number 14, but that ball is blocked by Los Baños. Now it's jersey number 20 of Los Baños for the service. Nakuha ng libero. Set number 13, 10 to attack. That's inside. Nice attack by jersey number 10 of Dasmariñas. Talagang wala namang, walang paglulugaran ng Dasmariñas sa palong yun. Hindi ka pwedeng iiwas. Masasaktan. Now, Dasmariñas for the serve. But that is an error in that service by jersey number 10. Los Baños will try to bounce back. It's 12 serving 15. Jersey number 23 for the serve. I-comment nyo na ang inyong mga pa-shout out at ang mga chinicheer ninyo. Jersey number 3, attack on that error, it went out. Puntos para sa Los Baños. 13, serving 15. Baba sa dalawang lamang ng Dasmariñas. Ayun, pumalo si jersey number 9. Talaga namang lumilipad. Grabe. Balik sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Dasmariñas City. It's 16, serving 13. Los Baños will try to play and serve. And that ball is out. That ball is outside. Point for Dasmariñas, 17-13. Jersey number 3 is now serving. Nanonood si Christopher Ian Detera, Go Los Baños, watching from Patikul Sulu. Ano yun? May taga Patikul Sulu na nanonood. Jersey number 9 in that attack. Saved by jersey number 20. Itinulak ni number 1 sa likod. Papalo ang Dasmariñas, but that is outside. Point for Los Baños. Nasobrahan ng konting palo. Si jersey number 9. Sabi ni Nadine Christine, jersey number 9 ng Team Dasma, baka po pwede pong pahingi po konting talon. Ayun, oh. Apakataas ng talon. Number 14. For that attack, it went out. Point for Los Baños. 15-17, dalawa na lang ang kalamangan. Dumidikit ang Los Baños at hindi hinaayaang lumaki ang kalamangan ng kanilang kalaban. Jersey number 1 for the service. With a little help from the net. Pero pumalo si number 9. There's a touch at jersey number 20. Point for Dasmariñas. 18-15. Iba ang talunan. Ang hirap magtago. Sino ang mga taga Dasmariñas? Let's cheer in the comment section. Ang mga taga Los Baños, gising pa po ba? Here's number 20 to set. Number nice save by the libero number 50. Number 9 to attack. Hinulog. Nakuha. Pero hindi na nabawi ni number 15. Sayang yung effort. Napakaganda ng laro. Sabi ni Emeline Virata, huwag manggigil Team Dasma. Go Monarchs. Time out. Los Baños. Sabi ni Christopher Ian Detera, Olay, may spring. Di ba nga, parang may mga spring ang paan ng mga players sa Dasma. Ang Dasma ba ay spring capital of the Philippines? Oo, heart si Miss Nadine Christine. Sabi ni Selma River to the shout out number 12 from Los Baños. Yes. I-support nyo na ang inyong mga teams. Comment down sa comment section. I-cheer nyo na sila at ipagsigawan. Sinong team ba ang magwawagi sa match na ito? Will it be Los Baños or Dasmariñas City? Sabi ni Hurley Talbo, go Team Dasma number 14. Zel Marie Vertudes, go for the win LB. Christopher Ian Detera. Ang dami mong may paganda ka pa ng boses. Wala tayong love life. Palitaw Dilaw the second. Shout out po, Dasma. Go Monarchs. Tintoy Rangel. Sulong na. Sulong pa. Dasmariñas na. And Zel Marie Vertudes. Go Los Baños for the win. So we're back at the game. It's Los Baños for that attack. Nasundot ni number 13. Ibabalik niya sa Los Baños. Pero nandun ang libero. Number 1. Send it over to Dasmariñas. Here's Dasmariñas with an attack. Nice save by jersey number 1 of Los Baños. Easy over ang ginawa ng Los Baños. Papalo uli si Nine. Hinulog. Pero walang nakaabang. Puntos para sa Dasmariñas. What a nice game between Dasmariñas and Los Baños. Oo, wina-warningan to play it cool mga kapatid. Dahil ang LGU Games ay hindi naman isang professional league. Gusto lang nating magkaroon ng unity, camaraderie, and support ng ating mga government employees. Pero ang attacking yon ni jersey number 5 ay hindi na naitawid. Nung bumalik, mukhang nagka-error doon sa receive ni number 13. Sayang yung puntos na yon. Pero nice try. Sabi ni Christopher Ian Detera, "Go Lakeshore." May Lakeshore ba diyan? Hindi naiintindihan ng mga tao 'yan. Sabi ni Apple, "May mga pakpak ang mga Monarch." That service ace proved na may mga pakpak nga sila, 22-15. My number 12, Dom Maningas, Palaban. Yes, Palaban ang mga players natin. Talaga namang walang tulak kabigin. Jersey number 14 of Tasmanias at the service line. Papalo si number 5. Nakuha, nahanap ang butas, itinulak, pero wala ng tao. Nahanap ang butas. Tama si Christopher Ian Detera, may varsity program ang Dasmariñas. Mula elementary, high school, hanggang City Hall ata, may program sa sports. Mahusay. Pero hindi papayag niya ng mga taga Los Baños. Magaling silang sumisid. Black by jersey number 13. Here's number 1 to attack. With a little help from the net, inside point for Dasmariñas. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Kayang bumawi ng Las Baños dyan eh. Sabi ni Daryl John Sarmiento, abangan nyo ang binyan ngayon. Ayun, mag-aabangan. Remember, sa lahat po ng nanonood, Dasmariñas is our defending champion sa men's and women's volleyball. Point for Los Baños, and there's a touch on that attack. We're now at set point for Dasmariñas. But that point went straight to Los Baños, 17 serving 24. Number 10 to attack. But that ball is not over. 4 touches ang tatawagan ng ating referee. Sa sequence na yon. And now, isang match set point na naman ang na-save ng Las Baños. It's 18 serving 24. Pero dun sa last service na yan, and the score is 25-18. Ang unang set ay nakuha na ng Dasmariñas. Basahin natin ang inyong mga comment. Sabi ni Arvel Dia, ano nangyari sa live? Bakit? Ano pong nangyari ba? Aha. Kat Martinez, go Dasma Monarchs, kayo ngayon, kami naman bukas. Go for the win. Okay. Si Miss Kat ay para palang women's volleyball ng Monarchs. Shout out po kay VP Inday Sara Duterte. Galing. Shout out po. Sabi ni Daryl John Sarmiento, babawi kami. O, go Abangan at tignan po ninyo ang schedule ng ating games para bukas sa ating pong Facebook page. It's 3rd LGU Games Season 2024. At sabi ni Miss Nadine Christine, defend the crown Team Dasma. Iba kasi talaga magmahal at sumuporta ang mayor namin, Mayor Jenny Austria Barzaga, kaya lahat ng players all out. Mahusay. Clap, clap, clap tayo dyan, ma. Magaling talaga ang inyong sports program. Pwedeng ang title ng yung sports program ay sports mula kinder hanggang City Hall. Ang galing. Pati mga city employee talaga namang ang huhusay. And we're back. We're now here at our second set of match number 2 of the men's volleyball. Celine Aldohesa is watching from Hong Kong. Shout out Jopet Adrian Mobido from Teta. At nakikita po ninyo, chine-check ng ating mga referees dahil ang rules natin in the third LGU games for men's and women's volleyball, kailangan ay maximum of 3 players na odd na job order and 4 na regular and casual. Pero sa unang service pa lang ng Los Baños ay error agad. Sabi ni Zel Virtude, shout out. Go Los Baños, bawi na. Shout out sa MVP ng boy ko, Nakdom Maningas, number 12. Love you. Abela Silvano, go, go, go team, Dasman. Oo, parang may mga bumibigay na. Outside na naman, error on that service. 3, serving 1. Jersey number 26 for the serve. Inside. Nice attack by jersey number 2. A little push. 3, serving 2. Here's jersey number 24 at the service line. Outside on that service. Now, jersey number to set the game 12 to attack. Is Los Baños. 11 to push. 26 is there. Number 2 to set. 17 papaluin. Nice. Pero ito throw sana ni number 6. Nice intention pero nagkamali sa execution. Kaya puntos para sa Dasmariñas 5. Serving 3. Here's jersey number 12 for the service. Inside. Isa-set ang play ng Las Baños. A little push. Here's number 8. Atake si number 17. Sinundot pero hindi naabot. Puntos para sa Dasmariñas. Inihagis? Ay, pumasok, sumobra si sir. Dapat ibabalik niya yon. Kaso, pangatlo na yon. So, paano niya ibabalik? Nalito na. Pero nice, nice try, jersey number 17. Now, here's jersey number 2 to set. Number 8 to attack. Tumawid pero hindi dumikit. Kaya naman puntos pa rin para sa Dasmariñas. 7, serving 4. Jersey number 17 for the service. Good judgment by the libero ng Los Baños. It's outside. Point 4, Los Baños. Number 26. Number 2. Hindi na-contain ng libero ang bola. It went out after receiving it. Point for Los Baños. Jersey number 17 to serve for Los Baños. Another service error ng Los Baños. Mukhang sa service error tayo nagkakaproblema sa side ng Los Baños. It's now 8 serving 6. Jersey number 8. Nice receive. Kinuha pa rin ng Los Baños. Susubukan nilang itapon pero it went out of the court. Point for Dasmariñas. It's now 8. 9 serving 6. Jersey number 8 for the serve. Kinuha pa rin ng Los Baños. Now here's jersey number 24. Patalikod ibinalik kaya outside. It's still jersey number 8 at the service line. Inangat ni number 8 pero wala nang humabol. Sayang. Puntos para sa Los Baños. 7, serving 10. The libero is back for Dasmariñas. For Los Baños, it's jersey number 11 for the serve. Nandun ang libero. 23 to attack. A little push. Set by number 2. 15 over. Nandun ang libero. Tignan natin na itawin. Nice save by the libero. Set by number 2. Here's Los Baños to attack. Inside ang tinawag. Nice attack by jersey number 2. Point for Los Baños. It's 8 serving 10. Jersey number 11 for the serve. But that is another error on that service. Nakakailang service error na ba ang Los Baños? Now it's jersey number 10 who will serve for Dasmariñas. Nice dig. Ops, a little miscue sa side ng Los Baños. Ibinalik ni number 2. Hinawakan ni number 2 ang net sa hindi maintindihan pagkakataon. Nalito na ata si jersey number 2 sabay touch sa net. Jersey number 6 is the libero. Attack by 26. Received by Los Baños. Attack ulit si number 2 ng Los Baños. Nakuha ng number 2 ng Dasmariñas. Wala pa tayo nakikitang atake mula sa Team Dasmariñas. And their attack, with a little help, pumasok at naibalik ng Los Baños. Number 2, 26 will attack. Natawagan ng net touch si jersey number 24 on that sequence. Now, here's jersey number 26 for the serve. Our score is 12 serving 9. Nice dig by Dasmariñas. Ibabalik kay jersey number 2. Papalo. Nakuha po to. Pero nakatunga nga ang Dasmariñas. Sayang. Kahit na malapit sa net, walang nakuhang cover. Nang maputo ang palong iyon ng Los Baños. Jersey number 24 with that easy serve. Nice dig by jersey number 2. Pinalo uli ni number 2. Nandun ang libero. Number 2 to 17. Oo, parang nabigatan si Sir doon sa palong iyon Babawi si jersey number 17. Here's another good serve by jersey number 24. Push by 23. Narito na. Oh, hops! Muntik na doon sa part na yon. Oh, may namamasyal sa parke. Eto uli ang Los Baños. Set point for Dasmariñas. Attack by jersey number 23. There's a touch inside. Point for Dasmariñas. Time out, Los Baños. Parang karakol lang ating napanood na mga sequence sa set na ito. Ano? Pero you have to understand that we are balancing the players inside the court with our regular and casual employees at yung ating mga job orders. And a big shout out sa lahat po ng ating mga local government officials, our city mayors, vice mayors, councilors, and department heads for allowing our officials and our employees to play in this year's third LGU Games. So thank you so much po. And we're back after that time out from Los Baños. Nagkakalituan lang tayo kung napapanood po ninyo sa ating live dahil may requirement na dalawang JO ang nasa loob dapat during the set. Dasmariñas will be serving jersey number 23. Good service. Nice stick by jersey number 19. Pinalo na number 2 and that there's a touch found sa Team Dasmariñas. Point for Das Baños. 12 serving 13. Baba sa isa ang lamang ng Dasmariñas. Now there's a substitution for Dasmariñas. 8 out, 23 in. 17 out, 9 in. Jersey number 2 for Las Baños will serve. Kinuha ng libero. Here's number 9 for that attack. Nahanap ang butas pero naligtas. Nice save. Setter will set. Number 9 again for that attack. That is inside. Straight to the line. Binato sa backcourt. Napakahusay. Oo, ang sigaw nila, Dasma Bomba. Here's the Smariñas again for the serve. And that went out. Point for Los Baños. 13 serving 14. Balik sa isa ang kalamangan ng Dasmariñas. Nako, nahabol na ng Los Baños. Ang kalamangan, it's now all 14. Another substitution for Dasmariñas. Nice push by jersey number 9 for Dasmariñas. And he will now be serving. Jersey number 20 set, number 5. Walang nakakuha doon. Balik tayo sa tie. 15 all. It's Las Bañas sa the service. Picked up by La Libero. Pinalo. Pero ibabalik. Wala nang nakahabol pa. Puntas again for Dasmariñas. Sabi ni Edel Abelia, Go Team LB, shout out sa pogi kong asawa, number 15. Asawa pala ni Miss Edel, si jersey number 15 ng Los Baños, now at the backcourt. There's 25 to serve. Nice pancake save by jersey number 5, but that is outside. Another point for Las Marinas. Nice picked up by Los Baños. Walang cover dun sa part na yon, sayang. Pero magandang hulog ang ginawa ng Los Baños. It's now 16-17. Balik sa isang kalamangan ng Dasmariñas. Hinulog, nagkagulo, nag-scramble dun sa hulog na yun ng Dasmariñas. Another substitution for Dasmariñas. 18 serving 16. Natutulala tayo sa mga kaganapan sa court ngayon. Easy over by Los Baños. Set by 13. Papaluin ni number 14. And there is a touch. Point for Dasmariñas. 19-16. Jersey number 13 is still serving for Dasmariñas. Service ace. Konting tulong ng net. Point for Dasmariñas. 20 serving 16. Akyat sa apat ang lamang ng Dasmariñas, our defending champion at at last year's tournament. Nice serve. Pinalo, but that went out. Time out, Los Baños. Our score now is 21-16. Abante ng ilan ba? 5. Oo. We're back at the game. It's 21 serving 16. Still, jersey number 13 at the service line. Mukhang madikit sa net talaga. Ang palo. Nice! Dig by the libero, 15. Easy over by 26. Now it's Los Baños. Nakuha pa rin ng libero. 13 to set. Number 3. Mukhang short ang pagkakaset na iyon. Hindi nahuli. Puntos para sa Los Baños. 17-21. Shoutout sa ating mga viewers na nakatutok. Ano-ano pong mga cities and municipality ang inyong sinusuportahan kayo by Team LB or Team Dasma. 22 serving 17. That is brought by the service error. It's jersey number 26 at the service. Number 1 with that attack. Nice block, but that went out. Point for Los Baños. 18-22. Sabi ni Miss Madeline Alfora, Go Team LB. Jersey number 3 is now serving. Pero error on that service, sayang. 19 serving 22. Sabi ni Andre Reyes, Go LB! Please share this live para mapatuloy na mapanood ng ating mga There is! Oo, grabe. Grabe yung strategy yung ginawang iyon. Oo. It's match point, set point for Team Dasmariñas, 24-19. Jersey number 5 with that attack. Si Nico ni 13. Mukhang pinipulikat ang libero. Tatawagan natin ng tatawagan natin ng dead ball muna. Dahil mukhang tingin natin ay pulikat naman. Oo, pinulikat lang si jersey number 15 ng libero dahil ang sipag niya. Oo. Oh, ayan, nakakalakad na naman po siya. Sabi ni Hernie Talbo, Go Team Dasma. Okay lang po yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Meron tayong mga nakaantabay na emergency staff mula sa CDRMO at kumpleto ang ating mga gamit for these situations. Tuloy pa rin naman ang ating laban. Our score now is 24 serving 19. Set point for Dasmariñas, and the team captain, jersey number 14, will serve. Number 5 with that attack. Nice block by jersey number 25 of Dasmariñas. Brings them to their second win for the second set, 25-19. And we're back at the third set of this second match of the men's volleyball of the third LGU games. Nakuha ng Dasmariñas ang first two sets at susubukan ng Los Baños makuha at manakaw ang third set na ito. Unang puntos para sa Los Baños, 1-0. Jersey number 20, team captain to serve. Point for Dasmariñas with that attack of jersey number 3. And now it's jersey number 10 to serve. Hindi nahabol, sumobra ng pagtos. Malapit sa net, 2, serving 1. Jersey number 10, still serving. Sinet 20-1. Nice block. Over. Babalik ulit ni 21. Pero wala nang tao sa side na yon. O, nakabalik na pala ulit si jersey number 15 ng libero ng Dasmariñas. Number 9 with that attack inside. Point for Dasmariñas. Nanonood ngayon ng aming Ma'am Jenny Ann Sarmiento, ang Department Head ng City Human Resource and Development Office. Good evening, Ma'am Jen. Jersey number 1 with that push. Now 14 to set. 9 with that push. Iaangat pa rin. Binato, patalikod. Here's number 13 to set. 14 with that attack. Nandun si number 20 ng Los Baños. Here's the attack of number 1 of Los Baños. Inside, out of bounds dun sa block na yon ni number 23 at ni number 14. 25 and 14 ang Dasmariñas. Our score is all 3. Jersey number 1 of Los Baños will serve. Number 10 to set. Number 9 with that attack. Nakuha ni number 1. Here's number 20 to set. Number 5. Outside ang tinawag kay attack ni jersey number 2 ng Los Baños. 4 serving 3. Lamang na ng isang Dasmariñas, our defending champion of last year's LGU games. 14, team captain to serve. Los Baños will try to attack. Nakuha ng libero ng Dasmariñas. Number 9 to push it. 2 will receive. 20. And 2 ibabalik. Blocked by number 25. Here's Los Baños to try again to defend. Here's number 9. Nakuha pa rin ng block. Number 25 to push. Kinulang ng height si jersey number 25. Pero maganda yung sequence na yun. Talaga namang madepensa ang ating mga teams. All 4 sa match or sa set na ito. Here's number 3. Push. Wala nang abang, walang cover doon. Oo, ang Los Baños. Kaya nabutasan sila ng Dasmariñas. It's now 5-4. Dikit pa rin ang laban ng Dasmariñas City versus Los Baños. Didiskartehan na ng Los Baños ang kanilang atake. Kaya sabi ng libero, no, no, no. That's outside. At service error by Dasmariñas. It's now all 5. Sir JC Giab of Trimex Colleges is watching. Hello, Sir JC. Nice attack by jersey number 1 of Los Baños. Here's number 10 to push. Gagawa ng paraan ng Los Baños with that easy over. Aatake ulit ang Dasmariñas with number 10 to push. Walang tao dun sa side na yon. Kaya naman nahuli ng Dasmariñas ang 6 point. 6 serving 5. Joper Tenorlas, shout out kay Nanika Tenorlas ng Santo Tomas, Batangas. Hello po sa inyo dyan sa Santo Tomas, Batangas. At sa mga Batanggenyo, sana pa napanood ninyo ang match between Santo Tomas and Tanawan City kanina. Abangan pa ninyo ang iba pa po nating mga scheduled games bukas dito lamang sa ating LGU Games Facebook page. And if you want to visit and watch live the action here, You can join us here at the Alonte Sports Arena. Doon sa bolang yon, nagkahagisan. Sayang. You can join us and watch the live action here at the Alonte Sports Arena in the Binyan City, Laguna. Dito po yan sa City Hall compound ng Binyan City. Easy over ang ibibigay sa Dasmariñas. Now they're setting their play. Number 14, Pinalo. Nang hindi sinasadya, nakapuntos pa 8 serving 6. Hello to our 36 viewers watching us live here at the third local government unit games. Shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga viewers. Attack by jersey number 1 of Las Baños. Talagang patusok, mahihirapan din kahit sinong blocker o libero para i-receive. Our score is 7 serving 8. Number 3, nandun ang libero ng Las Baños. Nagtulakan pero bumabawi. Number 10, pinush ang bola. Here's jersey number 1 to push again. Nandun nakabang si 14. Papalo si 14 ng Dasmariñas pero nabitin. Oo, sayang. Sayang ang pagkaka-set na yon at pagkakadig ng bola. But here's number 20 of Las Baños to serve. Inabangan sa baba. But there's 4 touches found at that sequence. Point for Los Baños. 9 serving 8. Lamang na ang Los Baños sa set na ito. Tutuloy-tuloy bang lumamang ang Los Baños? Ang sagot, hindi. Kasi error on that service. All 9 para sa set na ito. Our official time is 8:32. Tignan nyo naman, 8:32 na. Uuwi pa tong mga to ng Las Bañas at Las Marinas. Nice pancake save! Ibinalik ng Dasmariñas. Gabawiin uli ni number 1. Another pancake save. Nagtutunugan ng ating tabla. Oo, ang kagandahan tayo nakatabla dito sa Alonte Sports Arena. Kaya naman iwas sprain at disgrasya. It's jersey number 13 of Los Baños for the serve. Score is 10, serving 9. Lamang ulit ng isa ang Los Baños. Jersey number 10 is taking his time to serve. 13 is serving. That is an error on that service. Point to Las Marinas. All 10. Jersey number 3 to serve. Set ni number 20. Finalo ni number 1. Nandun ang jersey number 3. Papaluin ni 9. Here's 20. Attack by 1. Na-block ng Dasmariñas. At na-save ng libero na nakaabang sa likod. Napakagaling. Number 9. Pinalo. Nakita ang butas sa likod. Kaya puntos para sa Dasmariñas. It's 11. 10. Ang galing nung libero doon. O, partida. Bland pa yan. Jersey number 3 for Dasmariñas in that service error. Balik tayo sa tie. 11 all. Nicely. 13 to set. 14 to attack. Number 1. Jersey number 2 to push. 14 to receive. Set ni number 13. Papaluin ni number 9. Nakuha ng Las Baños. Number 1 of Las Baños to attack. Nakuha ng libero but that ball went out. Puntos na para sa Las Baños. 12-11. Patuloy pa rin gumagapang ang score at hindi hinahayaan ng Dasmariñas na makalamang ang Los Baños. Pero sabi ng Los Baños, kailangan nila makaagwat-agwat. They're 2 set behind. Nakatalikod si jersey number 2. Hindi niya nakita ang bola. Puntos para sa Dasmariñas. 12 all. Now, Los Baños will try to claim. Nakuha pa rin ng Los Baños. Here's number 13 to set to number 9. Number 9, that is an attack error. Point for Los Baños. 13 serving 12. Thirteen to set. Here's number 9. Number 1. Los Baños to attack. Block by jersey number 25. Isa set ni number 13. Number 9 to attack. Block ng Los Baños. Another attack by number 9. And that push went outside. Point for Los Baños. 14, serving 12. Mukhang kinakabahan ng Dasmariñas. Kaya tatawag na sila ng time out. Dasmariñas. Our score is 14, serving 12. Lamang ng dalawa ang Los Baños. Here's Dasmariñas. Nice block by jersey number 2 ng Los Baños. Ipinush ng Dasmariñas pero nabawi ng Los Baños. Nagtulakan. Ay, nagyapusan. Ano nangyari? Oo, naka-touch net daw ang Los Baños. 13 serving 15. Nakita ang bilis ni number 2. Pinush at nakapuntos. 16 serving 13. Jersey number 2 to serve. Number 10 to attack. But that is outside. Jersey number 2 to serve. Push on that point for Dasmariñas. 14-17 nagkatinginan ang Los Baños. Sa mabilis na 1 to play na iyan. Jersey number 23 for the service. 20 to set. Nandiyan si number 1 para pumalo. Nice stick by jersey number 14. Easy over by jersey number 9. 20 to set. Las Bañas with the attack. Inside ang sabi ng line judge. Point for Las Bañas. 18-14. Angat sa 4 ang lamang ng Dasmariñas. The defending champion. Ibig sabihin ba nito? Alas 10 na tayo uuwi. Malalaman natin yan kung hahabol pa ba ang Dasmariñas o tuluyan ng tatapusin ng Los Baños ang set na ito. Nandun ang libero. Nice save by the libero. Nice push. Another pancake save sana pero sumobra na. Nakapasok na si number 1 sa court ng kabila. 15 serving 18. Jersey number 13 at the service line. Malapit nang umakyat ang mga spiker ng Dasmariñas. Here's number 3. Number 1 to set. Number 2 to attack. And then say number 9 to pick the ball. Number 14, a little push. Number 20, set kay number 1. Blockers are all there. 3-man block ang ginamit ng Dasmariñas. Kaya naman hindi nakalusot na ang puntos. Sabi ni Mikel Rosales, go Sir Louis Adversario Valles. Still serving his jersey number 13. 20, set to number 1. Kinuha na Dasmariñas. Number 3 to attack. Pinalo ng walang preparation, kaya nabitin. Sayang. Point for Los Baños. Angat pa rin sa tatlo ang lamang ng Los Baños at malapit na silang umabot sa 20-point mark. 19-16. Number 10. With that attack, nandun si number 2. Isaset kay number 20. Number 1. Blockers nakapasok. Oo, medyo malayo yung kamay nila dun sa net. Kaya naman pumasok ang palong iyon ni jersey number 2 ng Los Baños. Easy serve by Los Baños. 13. Hinages. Number 1, ibabalik. Pancake save. Here's number 14 to attack. Number 20 save 2. Ibabalik ba rin number 1? Inihulog sa likod. Nandyan si number 15. Los Baños will try to get this one with his attack. Pero may tao dun sa likuran. Here's number 15. And 20 save that ball. Sinet ni number 2. 1 for attack. Nandun ang libero ng Dasmariñas. 14 will throw the ball. Here's number 20. Set by number 2. And that ball went out sa haba-haba ng rally. Outside. 17-20. Nasa harapan na ang mga spiker ng Dasmariñas, kaya kailangan mag-ingat ng mga Los Baños at pangalagaan ang kanilang kalamangan, kagaya ng part na yan. Oh, nakita, na-touch. Overreach. Oo, may backliner tayong nakitang overreach pala. Oo. Number 10 to serve. But that error hurt the point of Dasmariñas. They're now 21-18. Balik pa rin sa tatlong kalamangan. Number 1 is serving. Outside. 19-21. Mas masakit naman yun sa Los Baños. 21-19. Pinapalapit pa nila lalo ang Dasmariñas. So here's Los Baños will be attacking. Nice block by number 14. Nagkalituhan na ata ang Los Baños. Parang hindi nakita na i-block kaya walang action dun si number 23. Nice block by Dasmariñas. Here's jersey number 3 to serve. 20-21. Easy play. Sideline. There's a push. Napuha. Number 14 will attack. Inside, kitang-kita, pasok ang bola. Our score, 21 all. What a rally. All 21. Time out, Los Baños. We're back here at the third set. Nice attack, but that's yung block na yan ay nakuha pa rin ng Dasmariñas. That's number 20. Attack ni number 1. Nakuha pa rin ng Dasmariñas. 14 to attack. Blocked by jersey number 2. Here's number 9 to attack. Sinundot. Kukunin pa rin ng Dasmariñas. 13 to set. 14 for the attack. Nice. Dig by jersey number 17. Itinulak ni 23. Sayang. Good intention pero bad execution. Now 22-21. The lead is now converted to Dasmariñas. 22-21. Abante ng isa ang Dasmariñas. Jersey number 3 for the serve. 20, sinetang play kay number 5. Itinulak, pero tatawagan ng referee ng touch net si jersey number 5. Abante na ang Dasmariñas. Warning, 23, serving 21. Ayan na nga ba sinasabi natin? Warning na po tayo for Dasmariñas. Jersey number 1 for that pickup. Number 5. Nice receive. Itutulak ba? 20. Bubuhayin. Papaluin ni number 5. Received by Dasmariñas. A good play. Number 9 with an attack. Over. Ang tanong, si number 23, hindi naala. Time out, Los Baños. Si number 23 parang natutulog siya. Parang kailangan po niya ng kape sa mga taga Los Baños diyan. Send naman po kayo ng emoji ng kape. Oo, ang score na natin, 24-21. Match point for Dasmariñas. And it's now 24-21. Match point service for Dasmariñas. Here's Los Baños. Ano kayang gagawin nila? Number 5, with that attack. Block by number 14. But that ball went out. But that there's a touch. So the winner of this match is Dasmariñas, 25-21. Once again, the winner of this match is the city of Dasmariñas. Congratulations to both of the teams, especially the Dasmariñas City.
The defending champion, the Monarchs of Dasmariñas City. Okay.
Once again, congratulations to City of Dasmariñas. And our player of the
Pagsunod mo sa amin. And thank you rin po kay Ma'am Libay po. And kay Ma'am Kat po. Thank you so much po everyone.
Thank you very much, Dasmariñas City.
Anong last name?